Hi everyone, my name is Skylar and I'm going to be doing the Walmart case. So a little overview of what I'm going to talk about today is the background of Walmart versus Amazon as of 2021. And then I'm going to talk about the three omni-channels that were mentioned in the case study. And the first one being traditional in-store sales, the second one being web-to-home sales, the third one being web to pickup and store sales, and then I'm going to conclude and re-answer the question again. So the main question that I'm going to focus on throughout this PowerPoint, and the one that I took from this case study, was, given its current assets and innovative vision, how could Walmart best serve customers across all possible channels in the years to come? So that's the main question that I'm going to focus on and give recommendations for. So a little background, Walmart versus Amazon. So for Walmart, they currently have 4,743 stores in the United States as of 2021. They have over 5,000 worldwide, but I'm mainly just focusing on in the US. They employ 1.6 million employees as of 2021, and they have over 150 distribution centers across the United States. And then Walmart.com, which mainly people go to order things off of Walmart, sees over 100 million users a month. So that is a huge number that doesn't even go into the stores. They use the website. And then a little bit about Amazon is they have 89 physical retail stores, which is actually a huge jump for them from the past where they've only had, I think it was around like 12 or so. And then they employ 798,000 employees, and that's worldwide, and most of their employees are online, like customer service, things like that. And they have 110 distribution centers, which is also another huge jump for them from previous years. And they have 112 million Amazon Prime members as of 2019. So the first possible channel that Walmart could improve is their traditional in-store sales. So I believe that Walmart, their main goal should be to make shopping easier for busy families while maintaining low prices. And I currently think they're doing a really good job at that with the low price part. Really the only Walmarts I've been to are the ones here in Illinois. And I know the ones out in bigger cities and stuff are a little bit different than the ones that we see here. So the main thing that I think they could do is the use of e-commerce, so Walmart Pay and the Walmart app. A lot of people actually do currently use the Walmart app, and they have a scan and go option, which I did not know about. So when you're going throughout the store, you just literally scan the item and it charges your account, kind of like those Amazon Go grocery stores. So that's a huge thing that they can really focus on and push more, maybe in smaller communities where there's younger college students and all we do is use our phones and technology. So that would be a great opportunity. And then ensure customers can find whatever they want. That's kind of their Walmart's main thing. Like whenever you need it, wherever you want it, like they'll get it to you. I think just continuing to push that in-store sales. And then customer service is also a huge thing. Walmart's main thing is the smiley face. So like having a smile in every aisle would be a good thing that they could focus on for in-store sales. And then their slogan, which currently changed, I also did not know that, is now save money, live better. So continue that, making it easier for families while maintaining low prices. And then I think overall safety is something that they could push for the future. I know, like I said, I've only really been in the one here in Decatur and then Bloomington. Not that I don't feel safe, but I think you guys know what I mean. Like that can always get better. And then keep inventory up to date. So on Google searches, whenever I would need something, you can Google search it. And on Walmart, like it'll say, oh, we have water bottles, we have 180, or like keeping that up to date so people know like, oh, I don't need to order it, I can go into the store. And then I also think the use of AI to help keep shelf stock and keep stores clean would be a great use of AI. And I think we're getting so used to technology now that like seeing a robot stocking the shelves in Walmart wouldn't be like weird. I think it would benefit Walmart and I think it would benefit the customers. And then, so Walmart e-commerce strategy. So this is when they partnered with Jet.com. So this was described by Mark Lohr. This is their three main things. So master the fundamentals of e-commerce, play offense using Walmart's unique assets, and then innovate, developing solutions for 10 to 20 years in the future. So the main thing that they have is have it, find it, display it, price it, and deliver it. I think that's a huge thing that they can keep pushing and keep focusing on to increase their omni-channels over the years. So the second omni-channel is web to home. So this is a huge one. So they do free 2-day delivery with no membership fee, which is awesome. And then they do next day shipping for certain zip codes, and that's free with $35 and up. So certain zip codes are more like if you're right by it or in a city. And then they have five main shipping methods, which I think is huge to pick from for pricing wise. Like you can do free or you can pay a little extra and get it there like the day of, stuff like that. I think that's awesome to have that option, and I think that's a huge thing that they can push. And then they also have freight shipping. So that's when if you order a lot in bulk, you can get it shipped directly to you, like just that stuff. And I did not know that. And then for web to home, I think one main thing they can improve on for years to come is to promote more on Walmart Plus. I honestly had no idea what Walmart Plus was until reading this case. So it's pretty much, I'll talk more about it in a couple slides, but it's pretty much Amazon Prime, but for Walmart. And like I said, if they push that for college students or younger families, I think that'd be huge. And then also, I think self-driving cars for delivery would be a huge benefit for Walmart, and it would take away from the chaos of someone always having to drive. Like you would literally just have to plug in the address and it would deliver it for you. I think that'd be huge. And then the third omni-channel that was talked about in the case was web to pick up in store, so pretty much curbside pickup. So at Walmart, any and all items are eligible for in-store pickup, which is awesome because if you're busy from work and you need to swing by and you don't want to take 20 minutes to shop or grab anything extra, you just order it online and you can pick it up. And pickup is always free. And then they do same day pickup depending on your time slot. So that's more for groceries. And I know I've done this because it's so nice. You don't have to go in and do anything. They literally grocery shop for you, bag it for you, deliver it directly to your car. You don't have to ever get out or do anything. So that's a huge thing that I think Walmart can continue to focus on and continue to improve on, because really they're the main place doing that right now, and a lot of other grocery stores are following them. So I think that's huge. So a little bit more about Walmart Plus, which I really think that Walmart should focus on pushing more and promoting more, is it's $12.95 per month or $98 for the year. It includes free shipping, free grocery delivery from your store, and then they also, members can save money on fuel, so I think they save about 5 cents on certain gas stations. And then they have that mobile scan and go, which I talked about previously, where you literally just go into the store. If you know you need laundry detergent, you scan it and it charges your account and you can walk out. And then they also have a 15 free day trial. You can cancel anytime. So I think that's huge. And like I said, college students would use it to save money, to save time. Busy families would use it to save money and save time. I just don't think it's known to everyone. It probably is in bigger cities or more rural communities, but here I asked multiple of my friends and no one has heard of Walmart Plus. So I think that's one main thing that they can really push to improve to serving their customers. So this is a little bit more about it. I took this from the website. So 2.5 hours per week, that's how much time you'd save by getting your weekly groceries from your delivery with Walmart Plus. $84 per year, that's how much money you'll save on gas after all the savings, which is huge now because gas is getting pretty pricey. And then a total of $816 per year. That's how much you'll save by getting your weekly groceries free, which I know grocery shopping is tough because when you go in and you always grab something that you don't need. So this is a huge way to save that and to keep busy families on track. So in conclusion, some ways that I think Walmart can improve their channels for years to come is the use of AI to help stock shelves, clean the store after hours, especially now with coronavirus. Keeping things up to date and keeping things clean is huge. I know people always focus on that, and when you walk into a store, that's the first thing you see. Well, how are they cleaning, or blah blah blah. Self-driving cars would take a lot of time. It would not take a lot of time to deliver. You literally plug in the address. They can probably do all the deliveries in one day in half the time. And then Walmart Plus should be marketed more to college students, young families, anything. Even anyone would use Walmart Plus if they knew what it was. And then I know a main thing that Jeff Bezos talked about was creating less delivery time is going to be huge in the future, because right now Amazon, you can get it the same day. Walmart, you can get it the same day, but like, can you get it in 2 hours? Can you get it in an hour? Can you get it in 30 minutes? Like, who's going to cut down that time short enough? I think that's something Walmart could really focus on, and I think the use of self-driving cars could push them to that limit and get that 2-hour delivery time slot. And then more overall assets, I think, is huge. So more warehouses to distribute across the United States, which Walmart is currently ahead of that right now than Amazon. And I know that was mentioned a lot in the article. They already have that leg up. So just continuing to get more assets, to find new places to build distribution centers. I think Walmart can really take the lead on e-commerce, on grocery shopping, on pretty much everything. And then these are my sources that I use. So thank you guys.